Hi guys, good evening. It is currently 5:20 in the afternoon and I just finished work and it's Thursday, so many of you know already that Thursday is date night for mommy and daddy. So Mike decided to meet up in the city, so we haven't decided where to go as yet, but I'm parking my car at Melbourne Central, and yeah, I'll meet him there, and we'll see from there where we're gonna go. I have an idea in my mind already. I wanted to go to this Korean restaurant in Chinatown because I am craving for hot soup. So hopefully daddy would agree to my suggestion, but I wouldn't accept no for an answer. So yeah, we'll see. I think he'll be alright with it. And yeah, so it is a bit traffic in the city because it's Thursday night. The shops close at late. I think they close at 9 o'clock every Thursday and Friday. So yeah, people everywhere, and they've got like roadworks as well, so that makes it worse. But yeah guys, I'll see you when I get there. Bye. So hi again guys, I just parked my car, and yeah, so I'm just gonna get my stuff ready and then I'll go see daddy. So I'll see you guys when I get up there. So hi guys, I'm here now. I'm just at the ground floor. I think daddy is still showering, so I'll probably just go for a walk and yeah, while waiting, so come with me. Here's my OTD guys. So guys, I just tried this Bobbi Brown lipstick in shade Tony Pink. OMG. It's very nice guys. I'm gonna show it to you. How much? $56. Wow. It's my date, guys. Sorry.
The other side.
Daddy, can we go to that Korean restaurant, please?
I'm choosing one. I already chose one. I've been looking forward to it.
No, me too.
Mama, I chose it.
I chose it too.
I've been really looking forward to it. I've never tried it before.
No, I want to go to Korea.
Please. Please. I really have
Which one is it?
It's in Elizabeth Street. Someone recommended it to me. That's where I want to go.
What is it?
Huh?
So hi guys, we're here now. Well, you know I told you before I wanted to go to this Korean restaurant. Well, guess what? Daddy doesn't want to go there. He wants to go to this...
Laos.
Where is it?
Laos. Laos restaurant.
Laos restaurant or whatever it is. I don't want to go because I really want to go to the Korean restaurant, guys. So guess what we're gonna do? We have to flip a coin. Seriously? Okay. Alright, I'm fine with this. Head. Guys, it's stale, so far out.
Tails never fails.
Oh, shoot. Okay, guys. Okay, he won this time. So that's where we're going, guys. The noodle house. Oh, look at it. Like this. Yep. Level 2. Can we do like cheesy? Oh, did it close yet?
That's right, probably. It's like this time.
You didn't press it before.
This time it's genuinely really slow. And last time it was genuinely slow too.
Yeah, it is.
That fucking hair. Beautiful hair. Hey. I think I decided what I'm getting. This homemade rice noodles served in pork broth and topped with crispy pork. Sounds good. And maybe I'll just grab milk tea.
last thing, we'll grab this one. Next thing.
So here's the milk tea, guys. I haven't tried this sort of milk tea before, so we'll see. What's that name?
Green tea.
Green tea. Have a look, it's got mum. On your mum. And some, I don't know, shallots.
It's for the soup.
And yeah,
Bean sprouts.
lemon sprouts. Yeah, shallots. Seriously, I don't know where I got that from. Okay, let us give this a go. Oh yeah, it's just tea. Put some milk.
Milk tea.
But I like that.
It's time of tea.
It's here, guys. So mine is rice noodles with pork broth, I think, and with the crispy pork on top. And that is Dada's, guys. He's got chicken.
Okay. Do you have any chili?
So you got, what's this, honey?
Fried rice pepper roll. Thank you.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you all later because I'm gonna eat now. Hungry. Hi guys, so we're home now, and guess what Dada received today? It's his punching thing. How do you call this, Daddy?
Boxing stand.
Boxing stand. I think he's got a plan to be a UFC fighter. Yeah, he's training to be a UFC fighter, I think. And here's the little one helping out. Honey, you helping Daddy? Ma.
Meh.
Are you helping Daddy or no? Yeah. Yes. So it's very easy to install, guys. You just need to.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Like, Bob, seriously, you just need to put all the screws and screw them in, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And that's the box. We're gonna keep the box, guys, because I think it's gonna be Paris's favorite toy. Honey, do you want to go in the box? Shh. Shh. Do you want to get in the box? Huh? And we've got Mimi, guys, having coffee. Oh, we actually went to Coles before coming home, guys. So we've got these for Dada's throat because he's currently having sore throat. And you got these. So this is a hair removal cream, guys, for the labut. And this also strip cells. Yeah, it's for the throat. And oh, we got Paris a new toothbrush because get all the hair, like not all the lubot really, just everywhere, hair and any part of the body. And this one here, this toothbrush for Paris, because her old one, guess what she did with her old toothbrush, guys? She put it in the toilet bowl. Yep. Didn't you, honey? And we also got these pads. Good cotton pads. And this is on sale, guys. The Palmolive shampoo. It was $6.50. Remember? And this one, get your phone before it falls. We've got the toilet paper, and also we've got the Coles. Have a look at this nappy, guys. So it's 50 nappies. This is really cheap, guys, because it's only $10 for 50 nappies. Like if you get Huggies or other brand of nappy, they'll be like $30. So that's
nice.
a good buy.
It's a good exercise for me every morning.
Yeah.
Huwag ka nawala screw. May screw na nawala.
Nah, you didn't screw it in properly.
Yeah, because I'm waiting for
Oh, here, Daddy. That one there. Waiting for me for what?
the screwdriver.
I got it. I gave it to you. It's not there. It was there before. So guys, actually I forgot to tell you about the dinner place that we went to. Hello guys. Yes, so it was alright guys. I know, so we went to the Lao, what do you call it, Daddy? Lao restaurant, guys. And remember I told you I want to go to Korean place, but it was alright actually, guys. They actually have the soup was really nice, like it was yum, especially the spring roll. It was awesome. I think it's the sauce that made it taste really, I don't know, I just love the taste of it. So I'll give it a thumbs up actually, because it's beautiful food, I think. Especially like for this kind of weather, it was perfect. Like, you know, hot soup and everything. So yeah guys, I think that was in Elizabeth Street in Melbourne CBD, guys. So if you are down in Melbourne, feel free to go to that noodle place, Lao. I will actually put the name down here below, guys, so you can check that out. And yeah, hopefully next time or next weekend, or not next weekend, next date night, yeah, we can go to that Korean place that I want to go, guys. Daddy, can we go to the Korean place next week? Sure. Alright guys, so we're just gonna finish this punching whatever it is. Daddy, wait ba? Sumbagon tayo ka, kung sumbagon ka ron. Paris! Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna finish this one, guys, so we can start punching. Not really. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. We're gonna end the video here, and thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye. Wanna bye, honey? Wanna say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Nanalibang ka na, buka bitain na. Bye. Bye. Bye, nak. Bye. Bye. Did you say bye?